What's going on, YouTuber? So today I'm gonna be talking about my 2013 Volkswagen CC. Alright, as y'all can see around my car, white Volkswagen with some black rims. Oops, kinda dirty, don't judge me. It's a 2.0 V4, 4 cylinders. Y'all can see I got, pretty sure y'all can't see, but right here I got, what's it called? I got springs in the back, and I got coilovers in the front. I forgot what these rims are called. As y'all can't see on our back there, the red thing, the coilovers. This old Betsy right here. The thing I love about my car the most is throughout the day, these individual lights turn on and the main headlights turn off. It's pretty dope. And they calibrate each other, so whenever you go and turn or make a turn, they turn with you and the lights sparkle where you're turning. I'll show you guys the inside of my car. Got a mess inside here, but as soon as y'all walk in, y'all see that right there. Then find that the door's open. Got my GoPro mount. Had a touchscreen radio, your 2 cup holders, your compartment. Turn this bad boy on. Y'all could see. You can check how your speedometer shows your route, how long you've been driven, your range, the range you got left, and consumption and speed warning. So you can play with it here with your Bluetooth. It's connected to my phone, assistance, vehicle information. Now it tells you what's wrong with it and whatnot. It says 30 psi, but my rims don't have connections to it, so I have to be checking them every once in a while. It has language, data, convenience, light and vision, time, snow tires, compass, units, all this other stuff. It's nice. See right here is a radio. Got your everything right here. Turn this bad boy on. The AC, cause it's pretty hot right here. And that's probably it. You got your glass right here, your lights right here. My best part, my second best part is the right here, secret compartment right there. And let's go check out the back. Got my uniform. It's a nice comfy car. If you're tall, well, it's about to suck. Got three people could fit in the back, so in total 5 people. And you can put this bad boy down right here. Right here. Press this button. You can open it, but not. And then this one right here, I know y'all can see this one right here. You press it and the cups come out. Yeah, I had trouble with it. Usually not back here. Okay. And my pre-workout, you guys know y'all gotta keep pre-workout in your car just in case you gotta hit the gym. And you guys want to keep it going? This is your fuel and your trunk opener. And for this car, it has a big old trunk. Got my gym clothes, my extra uniforms, all this other stuff that I need for work, whatnot. So you can fit a plethora of things inside here. All right, I mean a lot. Don't mind me, it's dirty. And as y'all can see right here, these bad boys turn on whenever you turn, so it's a pretty cool feature too. The lights, you know, it's a V4 cylinder, so that's about it with my car. That's I'll pop the hood. You go right here, and press this one right here. open it. Just too easy. Just right here in the middle. Bring it up. That's about it. No battery, all this other stuff right here. I don't know how that came undone. About it. Okay, so I'll go into my car and talk to you guys about it a little bit more. So this car gives you approximately 22 miles per gallon on the highway. It'll give you around 16 to 18 miles on the street, and combined is like 20 something, like 21, 20. It's more around 20 miles, but as you can see, it's a stick shift, and I love driving fast, so that's probably it. Hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Later, nerds.